Carl Jung once said, "The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed." Think about that for a moment. Every person who lingers in your thoughts, every connection you feel deeply, is a catalyst for change. They're not just passing through your mind, they're leaving a mark, shifting something within you. So why is this person on your mind? What is their presence transforming in you? Let's dive into the mystery of what these thoughts truly mean. When you think about someone, it's more than a mental exercise, it's an energetic exchange. Every thought you send carries a vibration, a frequency that connects to the person you're thinking about. Have you ever noticed how, after thinking about someone intensely, they suddenly call, text, or show up unexpectedly? This phenomenon isn't coincidence, it's the power of shared energy. But here's something crucial. Thoughts are often more about you than them. They're projections of your inner state. For instance, if you imagine someone feeling hurt or distant, it might be because you're processing feelings of guilt or insecurity. Your subconscious mirrors your emotions, and those reflections can feel as if they're coming from someone else. Understanding this isn't just about empathy for the other person, it's about deep compassion for yourself. When you think of someone, pause and reflect on the energy you're sending out. Are you approaching them in your mind with love, curiosity, and understanding? Or is your energy clouded by fear, doubt, or longing? The intention behind your thoughts not only shapes your perception of them, but also impacts your connection. By shifting your thoughts toward kindness and curiosity, you open the door to a deeper, more harmonious bond. When you find yourself thinking deeply about someone, it's easy to dismiss it as coincidence or overthinking. But the truth is, we are deeply interconnected beings. These thoughts often point to an unresolved story, one that exists not just between you and them, but also within you. The people who linger in your thoughts often hold keys to your inner world, whether it's a reflection of love, a source of pain, or an unresolved chapter in your life. Every thought is like a signal, a reflection of your emotional landscape. Have you noticed how certain people remain in your mind even years after they've left your life? It's not random. These are the individuals who, for better or worse, have shaped the narrative of your soul's journey. Thinking about them might be your mind's way of processing emotions, seeking closure, or holding on to a sense of meaning. Ask yourself, why am I thinking of them? What do they represent to me? Often, these thoughts symbolize more than just the person. They might represent your longing for connection, the need to resolve conflict, or the admiration of qualities you wish to cultivate within yourself. The thought of someone bringing warmth or joy could be a sign of gratitude for what they've given you. On the other hand, if their memory stirs pain or unease, it might point to something unfinished, a boundary crossed, a conversation left unsaid, or an emotion never fully expressed. Human psychology reveals that our thoughts frequently loop back to the unresolved. This isn't about obsessing over the person, but understanding their significance in your emotional and spiritual journey. Reflect on this. What do these thoughts teach me about my own needs, fears, or desires? In their answers, you'll often find the true essence of the connection. Let us come back to Carl Jung when he said, "The meeting of two personalities is like the contact of two chemical substances. If there is any reaction, both are transformed." Thinking about someone isn't just about understanding them, it's about understanding and transforming yourself. Their presence in your thoughts acts as a mirror, revealing parts of yourself that may need attention, healing, or growth. For example, if someone inspires you, it might be because they embody traits you deeply admire: courage, kindness, or resilience. These are qualities you're being called to recognize and cultivate within yourself. Conversely, if someone frustrates or challenges you, it might be a reflection of the aspects within you that need acceptance or change. The people who occupy our thoughts in this way become our greatest teachers. Ask yourself, what is this connection revealing about my own growth? Instead of focusing solely on their feelings, consider the lessons they are bringing into your life. Their presence is an opportunity for transformation. Thoughts don't exist in isolation. They carry energy, and that energy can ripple outward, touching the lives of those we're connected to. This shared energy isn't about control or manipulation. It's about understanding the intricate web of emotions, intentions, and experiences that bind us together. Take time to sit with your thoughts in stillness. Imagine this person not as a perfect ideal, but as a complex being with their own joys, struggles, and desires. In your mind, send them love and compassion, not because you need something in return, but because kindness elevates the energy of the connection. This simple act can bring clarity to your feelings and deepen your understanding of theirs. If these thoughts bring unresolved emotions, pain, longing, or confusion, see them as invitations to heal. Healing doesn't mean forgetting, it means releasing the weight that these thoughts carry. Write a letter to this person, not to send, but to express. Pour out your gratitude, your regrets, your questions. This act isn't for them, it's for you. It's a way to clear your energy and move forward with peace. Rumi, the Sufi poet, said, "The wound is the place where the light enters you." Thinking about someone persistently might feel burdensome, but it's often a doorway to growth. These thoughts are not just about them, they're about you. They're an opportunity to strengthen your connection to yourself, to find closure, and to create space for new, more aligned connections in your life. When someone occupies your mind, it's not a distraction, it's a gift. These thoughts are bridges to deeper understanding, not just of them, but of yourself. They are reminders of the beauty, complexity, and depth of human connection. Ask yourself, what is this moment teaching me? What does this person's presence in my thoughts reveal about my heart, my path, and my potential for growth? When you approach these thoughts with curiosity and compassion, you transform them from burdens into blessings. Every thought we have about others carries meaning, energy, and opportunity. The question isn't just why you're thinking about someone, it's what that thought is asking you to see within yourself. Look inward, and you'll find the answers you seek.